How can you see people's best friends list on Snapchat, and is that even possible? Today in this video I'll show you how to do that, so please follow up with me. First, you open the Snapchat app and go to your chats by swiping to the left or tap here in the bottom. Once you're here, let's say I want to know the best friends list of this user right here, so I tap on their Bitmoji. Once you open their profile, you'll see that you cannot even find their normal friends, let alone their best friends list. So that is impossible basically to know best friends list on Snapchat. But let me show you how can you get a hint of it. Once you tap here in the top right corner, you get this big list of suggestions right here. So it's a huge list and it is not picked up randomly by Snapchat or something like that. Snapchat puts here the people that are friends with your friends. Now, if you are having a suspicion of somebody being someone's best friend on Snapchat, if you find it in this list, it is clear to say that they might be a friend or a best friend with that user. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.